Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today, for the past 2 days, we have been doing pronouns. So today again we'll do pronouns, page number 53 of your grammar book. Now again, the next type of pronouns are possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Pronouns that are, see here it is possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Which show the possession. Pronouns that show possession or ownership are called possessive pronouns. Like you say, I'll say this is my pencil, this is my book. So my is a pronoun, and will not say, like I'll not take my name, this is Mukta's book, this is Mukta's pencil. I'll say this is my book, my pencil. So my is pronoun, and it is a possessive pronoun because it shows that this book or this pencil belongs to me. Example: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. This book is yours. This house is hers. Means ये घर उसका है, ये बुक उसकी है. ठीक है. जहाँ पे हम हिंदी में का, के, की लगाते हैं, जहाँ से हमें पता चलता है ये किसकी है, उसको हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस. ठीक है. नाउ देयर इज एन एक्सरसाइज. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद सुटेबल पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस. द कार बिलोंग्स टू माई फादर. इट इज डैश. नाउ in the options you are given hers, mine, his. So the car belongs to my father. Since it is a masculine pronoun, so masculine name father, so we'll use his. It is his. Next, these are your shoes. For shoes, whose shoes are it? These are your. So these shoes are yours. So here we will write yours, Y-O-U-R-S, yours. Is this your pen or is it mine? क्या ये पेन आपका है या ये पेन मेरा है? मेरा मतलब mine. The options, it is your and mine, so we'll take mine. Fourth, I gave him the book. It is now him. मैंने उसको book दे दी. I gave him the book. For him it is his because ये उसकी बुक है, उसकी is his. Now here it is your and his, so we will take his. It is for the third person. She bought an apartment last year. What is an apartment? A residential place. So she bought an apartment last year. Now उसने वो apartment खरीदा है, तो वो apartment किसका हुआ? उसका हुआ ना. And she is the third person, so we'll say this one is hers. The book belongs to me. ये बुक मेरी है, तो मेरी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Mine. पोजेशन दिखाना है तो we'll say it is mine. Next, Rakesh bought this sari for Neetu. Now, for whom? For Neetu. Neetu is a feminine, so it is hers. You will take hers. Next is, these toys belong to you all. Now to whom? To you all. It means these toys are yours. Mine or yours, you will take yours. Now again, next is possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Now read the following dialogues. India is my country. This country is ours. Is this your pen? This pen is mine. Now here my country or your country, your pen. Here they show the adjectives, means whose pen is this? It is your pen. Especially it is your pen. So that these are possessive adjectives. Here it is my country. My is possessive adjective. But if we say this country is ours, this shows the possession. Okay? And this pen is mine. Here mine shows the possession. So your and my are, if they come before the noun, they are possessive adjectives. But if we use ours and mine, that is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are ours and mine, and possessive adjectives are my and your. Possessive pronouns are used in place of nouns. Possessive adjectives are made from pronouns but are used before nouns as adjectives. So, example, this is my book. My book, it is possessive adjective. But if we say this book is mine, then mine is possessive pronoun. In the table, there are some possessive adjectives and corresponding possessive pronouns. Here it is my and possessive pronoun is mine. For possessive adjective your, we use possessive pronoun yours. For our adjective, we use ours. His, her, hers, their, theirs. Okay, so these are possessive adjectives and here we use possessive pronouns. These are the possessive pronouns. Now come to page number 54. Again there is an exercise. So let us start it. Fill in the blanks with correct the possessive pronouns adjectives with the correct possessive. The words are hers, his. Instead of mine, you should write here yours. Then their, my, your, our. I am donating my old books. My. Here it is possessive adjective because it has come before the noun, old books. She gifted him a car on his birthday. Whose birthday is this? His birthday. This is again adjective, possessive adjective. Did you receive your cash? Your. Cash is the noun here and your is the possessive adjective. This book is hers. She left it here. Now it is hers is here, it is possessive pronoun. It has come in place of what? She. They brought their kids to office. Their kids. This is possessive adjective. Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. National anthem. This is possessive adjective. Whose national anthem is it? Our. This is my property. I bought it last year. My. It is again possessive adjective. This is my notebook. Here it is possessive adjective. That notebook is yours. Here it is possessive pronoun. Now underline the pronouns. I like the cookies made by my mother. So I is again a pronoun and my is a pronoun, both. I like the cookies made by my mother. Now, again here my is a possessive adjective, so we have to only underline the pronouns. I. We are going to Jaipur. We. You are the most brilliant boy of the class. You. We had rice cakes for breakfast. We. Do you recognize me? I am Harry. Here you and I. He is not doing well in studies. He. I joined school on the first day of the session. I. Our teachers told us that we should not eat junk food. Now us and we both are pronouns. So that is all, students, for this chapter. Do give it a revision. Just read these sentences many times and these will come in automatically in your mouth. So learn these for your exams. Prepare this chapter. Okay, have a nice day. We have done pronouns. Tomorrow we will start with articles. Thank you and have a nice day.